Hello, welcome to episode 8 of Fork It Up. This is going to be a very short episode just so that I can be meeting my goal of posting an episode every weekday. And it's our, as you can see, it's 10:54 p.m. So I've been working on this, but I had to go back and kind of look at my directions from my Thinkful course. To set up the HTML phase of the wireframes. And so this is like a very bare bones template that I am using, and I am going to, is this the code? Yep. So, I just did a whole new separate file in opened it with Visual Studio. And so I will, I changed it to HVC community boards wireframes, and this is just basic HTML. I linked the style sheet that I named styles.css. And so I will, begin to set this up and try to make this instead look like where am I? This look like these. I'll start with this, the landing page. Oh, excuse me. And I know that that I'll set up links to go between the different views of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these 8 basic I see my brain is off. 8 basic views of my website just to get them into an HTML form before I launch into putting them into React. So I will check back in with you tomorrow and we'll see how far I get. Alright. Thank you for watching.